Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Prajwal Basnet, and today I'll be unboxing and giving you guys a quick impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy Buds as well. But before I begin, I just want to apologize for the video quality not being great because I was so excited that I started recording without proper setup, and this is my first unboxing video as well. But if you guys want a proper video and full review on both of these devices, then be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to make one. So this is the ceramic black 512GB version of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let me open up the seal of the package. Okay, let's get this upper case off of this box. There's probably some paperwork in here, but first let's get to the phone. At the top you get the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus itself. It is a beautiful piece of hardware and the so-called phone to beat in 2019. So this is how the ceramic black color looks on this phone. Let me boot the phone up and let's remove the back plastic cover. I'm gonna keep the phone aside for now. Inside the box, we've got a fast charger, a direct cable, a USB on the go cable, which is generally used to connect a flash drive directly to your device, and an earphone tuned by AKG. In this smaller box, you get a SIM tray ejector tool. The SIM tray can double as a micro SD card holder, as this phone does support micro SD card up to 512GB. Inside it, there's a transparent case for the phone. It's pretty sturdy and good quality. It's not flimsy, so that's great. Apart from the case, there are 3 printed papers. You get a quick start guide, a warranty card, and a quick data transfer instruction card. And that's all the storage content in the Galaxy S10 Plus box. So let me set the phone up and I'll get back to you guys in a moment. So I've set the phone up and I just realized that there's a thin layer of plastic pre-applied to the screen. You guys might be able to see the reflection of the plastic at the camera cutout. There are also some plastic on the side bezels, which are obviously removed. Talking about the specifications of this phone has a gorgeous 6.4-inch Quad SD Plus dynamic AMOLED display with camera cutouts, and it is protected with Gorilla Glass 6. The display has been rated as visually indistinguishable from perfect by the DisplayMate and is the best display on its smartphone as of now. In Nepal, you get the Exynos 9820 version of chipset, 8GB of RAM, and you can choose from 128GB to 512GB for internal storage. There's also a performance edition and 5G version of the phone, and it's unlikely for those variants of the phone to be available in Nepal. Talking about the cameras, the camera setup on this device has been rated as the best by DxOMark. There's a triple camera setup on the back. It has got a 12MP primary sensor with variable aperture, another 12MP telephoto sensor with 2x optical zoom. Both of the 12MP sensors have OIS, and then there's the new 16MP ultra wide sensor that has got a field of view of 127 degrees. The phone is capable of shooting video at 4K 60fps, and there's also the new scene optimizer to enhance your photos with AI. On the front, there's a new 10MP sensor that's capable of shooting videos at 4K 30fps, and there's another 8MP a bit wide depth sensor. So let me give you guys a basic demonstration of the new ultra wide camera on this device. So this is how it looks with the main sensor. Tapping on the right activates the telephoto lens and tapping on the left activates the ultra wide lens. As you can see, I'm this close to the subject, but when I change from the primary sensor to the ultra wide sensor, the entire subject fits into the frame. So the ultra wide lens is a great addition to the S10 family of phones, and it opens a lot of new possibilities. All other features of the camera from the S9 are indeed included in the S10 family of phones. One of the major highlights of this phone is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor beneath the display. So this is the first smartphone to implement this new technology. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is more secure than the traditional scanners because it recognizes the fingerprint with the sound waves and can even recognize the blood flow of a user's finger. And unlike optical fingerprint scanner beneath the display, you don't need to apply much pressure. It can also work without brightening up the area on the sensor, so that's another great thing. Samsung has also implemented the wireless power share in the S10 family of phones to charge other devices that support wireless charging by placing them on the back of this device. I'll just demonstrate to you guys the wireless power share feature shortly after I unbox the Galaxy Buds. So let's get to the other basic things of the phone. So the phone runs on Android 9.0 with One UI on top. The One UI is the new user interface from Samsung. It is very smooth and it introduces a lot of new features. This is a full system-wide dark mode, a full distributed navigation. The One UI also focuses on one-handed use of the phone. Talking about the other general features, the phone has a small speaker grill at the top, which also doubles as a stereo speaker setup. It has got a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's a remappable Bixby button and the volume rocker on the left of the device. A power button on the right, which is placed quite high. It also retains the IP60 certification for dust and water resistance, but unfortunately it lacks the iris scanner. It has got a big 1400 mAh battery. This is also the world's first smartphone with Wi-Fi 6. So this phone packs a lot of features and I'll be sure to cover everything in my full review. But now let's unbox the Galaxy Buds. I received the Galaxy Buds as a pre-order gift from Samsung. These earbuds are tuned by AKG as well. It's got a good battery life of 6 to 7 hours on single charge and it produces really good sound quality. Before I can show you guys the Galaxy Buds, I'm going to have to open the seal of the package and take the upper case up of this box. Inside the box, there's the Galaxy Buds itself and a small box. The small box contains a charging cable and a few extra wingtips. The Galaxy Buds are kept inside the PillSafe case for them. This case charges the Galaxy Buds and this case also supports USB Type charging as well as wireless charging. The pairing process is really easy. All you need to do is turn on Bluetooth on your phone and open the case. You'll get a pop-up on your phone. Select connect to your Galaxy Buds. It's really easy. When you connect it for the first time, you'll probably have to wait for a setup process. There's a touchpad to control playback and to receive and reject calls and other stuff like that. So that's it for the Galaxy Buds. So let me showcase you the wireless power share feature at last. In order to charge a device that supports wireless charging, all you have to do is just go to the notification panel and turn on the wireless power share. And keep your phone against the screen. Then place the device on top just below the Samsung logo and the device will receive charge from the phone. There's a red LED glowing in the case of the Galaxy Buds, which indicates that it's charging. This is really simple and it's convenient to charge small devices like smartwatches and the buds that require really low power. So I believe that's it for this video, guys. The pricing of all the models of the S10 available in Nepal are showcased on your screen. The ceramic version of the phone in particular costs Rs 1,05,500 here in Nepal, and the Galaxy Buds are available for Rs 14,500. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and quick impressions of the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy Buds. Your suggestions and feedbacks are well appreciated, so be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, I'll probably catch you guys in another video. Till then, peace out.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I'll remember you. If you remember